Bali is a popular island destination located in Indonesia, Southeast Asia. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant art scene. Here are some key highlights of Bali Island. Beaches. Bali boasts some of the world's most beautiful beaches, including Kuta Beach, Seminyak Beach, and Nusa Dua Beach. Visitors can enjoy sunbathing, swimming, surfing, and water sports in these coastal areas. Rice terraces. The island is famous for its picturesque rice terraces, such as the Tegalalang rice terraces in Ubud. These terraces showcase Bali's traditional agricultural practices and offer great hiking opportunities. Temples. Bali is often called the Island of 1,000 Temples, due to its numerous Hindu temples and shrines. The iconic Uluwatu Temple, Tanah Lot, and Besaki Temple are just a few examples. Ubud, this cultural and artistic hub is located in the heart of Bali. It's known for its traditional dance performances, art galleries, craft shops, and lush landscapes. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary is a popular attraction in Ubud. Waterfalls. Bali is home to several beautiful waterfalls, including Tejanungan Waterfall, Gitgit Waterfall, and Sekumpul Waterfall. These natural wonders offer opportunities for swimming and trekking. Volcanoes. Mount Agung and Mount Batur are two active volcanoes on the island. Adventurous travelers can hike these mountains to witness breathtaking sunrises. Balinese cuisine. Bali offers a variety of delicious food options, including traditional Balinese dishes like nasi goreng, fried rice, and mie goreng, fried noodles. Visitors can also find international cuisine in restaurants and cafes. Art and culture. Bali has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional dances like the Barong dance and the Kikak dance being popular attractions. The island is also known for its intricate wood carvings, batik fabrics, and Balinese painting. Yoga and wellness. Bali has become a global wellness destination, with many yoga retreats, spas, and wellness centers offering relaxation and rejuvenation experiences. Nightlife. Bali's nightlife is vibrant, with beach clubs, bars, and entertainment venues in areas like Seminyak and Kuta. The island comes alive after dark with live music and dance performances. Bali is a diverse and captivating destination that offers something for every type of traveler, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural experiences, or natural beauty. It's no wonder that Bali continues to be a popular choice for tourists from around the world.